Here, I welcome to all my dear students. In the last lecture, we had seen contribution of Henry Fayol in development of management thought. Today, we are going to learn contribution of Peter Drucker in development of management thoughts. So, let's start with the contribution of Peter Drucker in development of management thoughts. Contribution of Peter Drucker in development of management thoughts. Peter Drucker was a professor of management at the New York University. He was a management consultant. He has varied experience and background, which include psychology, sociology, law, and journalism. Therefore, his contributions cover various approaches to the management. He has written many books and papers. Some of the books authorized by him as The Practice of Management, The New Society, The Future of Industrial Man, Managing by Results, The Effective Executive, Management Tasks, Responsibilities, and Practices, etc. Some of the major contributions of Peter Drucker. Some of the major contributions of Peter Drucker are as follows. First is nature of management. Second is management functions. Third is organization structure. Fourth is federalism. Next is management by objectives. And last is organizational changes. In this slide, now we will discuss some of the major contributions of Peter Drucker. The first point is nature of management. Innovation may include the development of new ideas, combining old and new ideas, and adoption of ideas from other fields, or even acting as a catalyst and encouraging others to carry out innovation. He has treated management as a discipline as well as a profession. A discipline management has its own tools, skills, techniques, and approaches. Peter Drucker view management not as a science but as a practice. Peter Drucker does not advocate to treat management as a strict profession but only a liberal profession. More emphasis that managers should not only have skills and techniques but should have the right perspective, putting the things into practice. Thereafter, next point is management functions. Peter Drucker sees management through its tasks. All major tasks and activities are required to be undertaken and performed by organization. According to him, a manager has to perform several functions: setting up objectives, organizing, motivating, and making decisions. Peter Drucker has attached great importance to the objective and setting function. He has specified 8 areas where a clear objective setting is required. The market standing, productivity, innovation, financial resources, profitability, managerial performance, and development, worker performance, and attitude, and public responsibility. They have to perform 3 tasks. The first is the specific purpose and mission of the institution, hospital, or university. Second is making work, productivity, and the worker achieving. And the third is managing social impact and social responsibilities. Next point is organization structure. Drucker has identified 3 basic aspects of organizing. The first is activity analysis. Analysis shows what work has to be performed, what kind of work should be put together, and what emphasis to be given each activity in the organization structure. Second point is decision analysis. The decision analysis takes into account 4 aspects of decision: the degree of futurity in the decision, the impact of decision over other functions, number of qualitative factors that enter into it, and the decision is recurrent or rare, such as analysis will determine the level at which the decision can be made. Third is relation analysis. This analysis helps in defining the structure and also to give guidance in managing the structure. So, these were the basic aspect of organization structure. Next point is Federalism. Drucker has advocated the concept of federalism. Federalism refers to centralized control in decentralized structure. He has emphasized the close link between the decision adopted by the top management on one hand, by the autonomous unit on the other. Federalism has certain positive values over other methods of organizing. The various points. The first is, it sets the top management free to devote to its proper function. Second is, it defines the function and responsibilities of the operating people. And third is, it creates a yardstick to measure their success and effectiveness in operating job. Thereafter, next point is the management by objectives. Management by objectives is regarded as one of the important contribution of Drucker to the discipline of management. According to Drucker, management by objectives is not only a technique of management, but it is a philosophy of managing. Therefore, to practice management by objectives, the organization must change itself. Management by objectives has become very popular because of its advantages. Next point and last point is organizational changes. Drucker has visualized rapid changes in society because of rapid technological development. He believed that changes can be absorbed by the organization, but not the rapid changes. It is necessary to develop a dynamic organization that can changes much faster than static ones. Rapid changes are occurring in society. Human beings should develop a philosophy to face the changes and take them as challenges for making society. So, these were the various, some of the major contribution of Peter Drucker. Thank you.